Here's some railway expansion trivia. Subscribe. Which railway was the first in the United States? Is it A, Baltimore and Ohio Railroad, B, New York Central, C, Pennsylvania Railroad, or D, Southern Pacific? The correct answer is A, Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. What landmark act promoted railway construction in the U.S.? Is it A, Pacific Railway Act, B, Interstate Commerce Act, C, Homestead Act, or D, Gibbons-Ogden? The correct answer is A, Pacific Railway Act. What is the name of the famous British railway line completed in 1825? Is it A, Stockton and Darlington Railway, B, London Underground, C, Birmingham Canal, or D, Great Western Railway? The correct answer is A, Stockton and Darlington Railway. Which country launched the first high-speed rail service? Is it A, France, B, Germany, C, Japan, or D, China? The correct answer is C, Japan. What year did the first passenger train operate in the UK? Is it A, 1845, B, 1825, C, 1862, or D, 1830? The correct answer is B, 1825. Which state is home to the famous Union Pacific Railroad? Is it A, Colorado, B, Wyoming, C, Kansas, or D, Nebraska? The correct answer is D, Nebraska. Which railway system was known for its iron horse? Is it A, New York Central, B, Union Pacific, C, Central Pacific, or D, Southern Pacific? The correct answer is B, Union Pacific. Who is recognized as the founder of modern railways? Is it A, Richard Trevithick, B, George Stephenson, C, James Watt, or D, Thomas Telford? The correct answer is B, George Stephenson. What notable U.S. event involved a major railroad strike in 1877? Is it A, Steel Strike, B, Great Railroad Strike, C, Pullman Strike, or D, Haymarket Affair? The correct answer is B, Great Railroad Strike. Which major railway company operates in Canada? Is it A, Canadian National Railway, B, Amtrak, C, BNSF Railway, or D, Union Pacific? The correct answer is A, Canadian National Railway. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.